we're going to start with how to speak French without learning French for busy and or lazy people. Firstly, with your smartphone, using the Google Translate app. And secondly, you'll learn 4 quick pronunciation tips so you can actually read your French phrasebook, so you can stop getting your tongue and your knickers in a twist. The lovely Google. There are other translation apps, of course. Reverso is a good one too. Step 1. Type in your native language. I would like the chicken and chips, please. You can see the translation. Je voudrais le poulet et les frites, s'il vous plaît. And if you click the speaker icon, you will even hear it. And then you can copy it. You can even take a photo of a sign or a menu, for example, with the camera button, and it would translate it for you. It's like magic. You can write on the screen with your finger or a stylus. You can speak into your phone. Et voilà, it will translate it. You can even translate 2 languages at the same time with the conversation button. C'est fantastique! And there you have it. How to use your phone. Don't need to learn French. Voilà.